Hi, everybody. We're going to talk about intervals this week. We've already talked about this in previous level, and the interval is basically the distance between two notes. And when we talked about intervals before, we mainly focused on the size of the interval. This is where you're going to see the numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's the size of the interval. And this week, we're going to focus on the quality of the interval. And those three words are the ones that we're going to be mainly focused on in this unit. So we have perfect, major, or minor. For example, when we talk about all these qualities, when we have interval of 1, 4, 5, 8, we're going to use the word perfect. And when we use the other intervals, for example, 2, 3, 6, 7, we're going to use the word major or minor. And those are the three different qualities that we're going to talk about in regarding when we talk about the quality of the intervals. So for example, if we're in the key of C major, we have a perfect 1, a major 2nd, and then a major 3rd, a perfect 4th, a perfect 5th, a major 6th, a major 7th, and a perfect 8th. So this is, we're talking the key of C major. And we're gonna do this in class where it's the same idea. We're in the key of G major. So when you write these intervals, don't forget to write your accidentals in the music. And we're gonna move on top of the major 3rd, we're gonna learn the minor 3rd as well. So the best way to find a minor 3rd, there are 2 ways. You can either find a major 3rd in a major key and lower the 3rd scale degree by half step. Or what you can do is that you can think of this as in the minor key, which can be a little bit tricky. So for example, this is a major 3rd because the bottom root, we're in the key of C major. And when we become going from a major to a minor, we're gonna lower the 3rd scale degree. And the same thing we have in the key of G major, and we have a major 3rd, and when we become a minor 3rd, all we need to do is to add a flat in front of it. So that's all we're going to talk about is the intervals this week.